Veganegal vertagen. Funglue maglu an der Cthulhu 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 veganegal vertagen. You are here. I've been waiting for you. Everything is ready now. I guess you understand the risk you are taking. You can still change your mind and leave now if you want. You will stay. Then sit down. The follower is ready. He is deeply dreaming. Before the connection can be made, you must relax and let your spirit go. Once you are ready, you will dream and progressively enter his dream. To enter into the imagination of someone could be peculiar. Don't resist and let yourself be driven. Cthulhu's there sleeping and dreaming. However, even though it's a dream, Cthulhu is real. I know it's beyond our human understanding, but Cthulhu is very real. Funglue maglu an der Cthulhu veganegal vertagen. Don't stare at him or his creatures, for you may wake them up. Cthulhu is waiting for one of us to make a mistake. Now, let's start.